To automatically silence all apps notification on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when you are working, you have to enable Do Not Disturb in the work mode setting and then leave the app notification empty. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Next, tap stay focused. Under suggested action section, tap Do Not Disturb. Tap app notification. And then make sure to leave it empty. Tap the OK. Next, tap Done button to save your selection. And then tap Done button again to save the change. With this setting, your phone will automatically silence all apps notification when work mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.